Outside, the winter snow falls softly. The world is quiet, and everything moves slowly. The cold air touches the window, but inside, the room feels warm. I take a deep breath and feel calm. This moment is peaceful. The snow covers the streets like a white blanket. The trees stand still, wearing soft snow on their branches. The sky is gray, but it is a gentle gray. I watch the snow fall, one tiny piece at a time. I feel relaxed. I feel safe. Inside the room, the lights are warm and soft. The fireplace makes a low and gentle sound. The heat moves slowly through the air. I hold a warm cup in my hands, and the warmth feels good. I smile quietly to myself. Winter brings simple feelings. Sometimes I feel calm. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Sometimes I feel happy for no reason at all. The silence of winter feels beautiful. I listen to the wind outside. It moves through the trees with a soft whisper. I hear the snow touching the window like tiny fingers tapping gently. Everything feels soft and peaceful. I look around the room. The sofa looks warm and comfortable. The blanket is soft and cozy. The lights are low, giving the room a quiet glow. I feel comfort in this simple moment. Winter can be cold, but it can also feel kind. It tells me to rest. It tells me to slow down. It tells me to breathe. And I listen. Sometimes I think about the past. Winter makes memories feel gentle. I remember warm homes, soft lights, and long evenings with quiet music. These memories make my heart warm. Sometimes I think about the future. Winter reminds me that new days are coming. The snow will melt. The sun will shine again. But for now, the quiet feels perfect. I watch the snow again. It falls slowly, like time is moving softly. Each snowflake looks calm as it travels to the ground. Nothing is in a hurry. Nothing needs to be fast. Inside the room, the warmth stays with me. I feel it on my hands, on my face, in my chest. The air smells clean and soft. The peaceful feeling grows slowly inside me. I let it stay. Sometimes I close my eyes. I hear the fireplace, the wind, the quiet room. I feel the winter around me, but it feels gentle, almost like a friend, a winter friend who brings calm. I open my eyes again. The snow is still falling. The world is still quiet. The room is still warm. Nothing changed, but everything feels nice. I take another deep breath. My heart feels light. My mind feels clear. My body feels relaxed. This winter moment feels like a small gift. And so I sit here in this cozy room with warm lights, soft blankets, and the quiet sound of snow. I stay in the calm of winter. I sit quietly in the warm room and I feel the calm winter air around me. Everything is simple. Everything is soft. Outside, the snow keeps falling. It falls slowly, like little feathers from the sky. The world becomes quiet and white. The roads look soft. The houses look peaceful. I watch the snow for a long time. It never feels boring. Every snowflake is small, but together they make the world beautiful. Winter has its own magic. Inside, the room smells warm. The wood from the fireplace makes a soft, sweet smell. The light is low and peaceful. The shadows on the wall move slowly. I feel like time is resting. I hold my warm drink again. The cup feels nice in my hands. The steam rises softly into the air. I take a small sip. The warmth spreads through my chest. I think about the people I love. I hope they feel warm too. I hope they feel safe tonight. Winter makes me think of kindness. It makes me think of peace. Sometimes I listen to the quiet music in the room. The notes are soft and slow. They move like snowflakes. They float and fall gently, and they make my heart feel calm. I look at the window again. A few snowflakes melt on the glass. They slide down slowly, like tiny rivers of ice. The sound is almost silent. The wind outside changes direction. It becomes a little stronger, but still gentle. It moves the trees, and the branches make a soft winter dance. I pull the blanket closer around me. It feels warm and safe. The fabric is soft on my skin. I relax deeper into the sofa. My body feels heavy in a good way. Winter nights are long, but they feel beautiful. They feel like a time to rest, a time to breathe, a time to slow down. Sometimes I close my eyes again. I imagine walking in the snow. The snow makes a soft sound under my feet. The air is cold, but fresh. My breath makes small clouds in the air. I imagine looking up at the sky. The clouds move slowly, and the world feels big and gentle. The snow falls on my hair and coat. I feel peaceful. I take another deep breath. In and out. Slow and calm. My heart feels relaxed. My mind feels clear. The winter night continues, soft and quiet. Every minute feels gentle. Every sound feels light. I stay in this peaceful moment. Outside, The winter snow falls softly. The world is quiet. The air is cold, but the moment feels warm. Everything is slow. Everything is calm.